Well, so there is a show on Netflix called Countdown to Death, Pablo Escobar. It's all about this Colombian drug lord and how he spent the last 10 years of his life. My God, you watch that particular. It's it's like a, I don't know, it'll may help you realize that, you know no matter how wealthy someone is, in the end it's all about peace of mind, because uh, this Colombian drug lord Pablo Escobar was, you could say, he became one of the richest people on the planet back then, in the 90s and 80s more specifically. But the last 10 years of his life, he was just being hunted down by the Colombian government, and basically the United States wanted to get their hands on him, but he did not. Pablo Escobar did not want to be extradited out of Colombia, and so he went into hiding. And there was you should watch the series. Yeah, it kind of like, see, sitting in India, in Hyderabad, and as a mommy, busy mommy, our world and our problems are so different. But when you were to see a show like this, like, it's based on it's a documentary basically. It'll open your eyes to the fact that in the end, this race of life is for what? I mean, it's for happiness, right? And you can be the one of the world's richest people and still be so, like, he was one of the most wanted people on the planet at some point, because he promoted narco terrorism, terrorism linked to drugs. So, but do try and catch it, people. It's called Countdown to Death, Pablo Escobar, and it's on Netflix. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.